Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your Lenovo laptop only turns on and works when it's connected to a charger. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon. Now select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, expand batteries. Here you will see a couple of entries. Simply right click on the first entry and then select uninstall device. Now select uninstall again to confirm. Similarly, uninstall the second entry as well. After you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your computer and your issue will be solved. However, if the issue persists, right click on the start icon again. Now this time select terminal admin from the list. In this window that opens, you will need to enter this command, that is the power cfg restore default schemes. This will reset all the battery settings on your Windows computer and hopefully solve your problem. If nothing else works, however, your last option is to turn off your laptop and then disconnect the charger and all the other accessories. After you have done that, simply press and hold the power button for 40 seconds. This will drain any additional power that may be causing the problem. Once you have done this, simply charge your Lenovo laptop for a few minutes and it should then work without the charger. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.